This is Newfoundland and Labrador Studies 2205, Unit 2, The Roots of Our Culture, Section 2, Lesson 2, Video 2, on Thule and Beothuk in our lesson on Who Were Here. Before I begin again, I would like to mention again that the terms that I am using in this lesson are used based on historical and archaeological texts that I have available at this time. Archaeological evidence places the Thule in present-day northern Labrador at approximately 1200 CE. The map you see here is from approximately 1300 CE. In green is movement of Thule, and in the beige color is the late Dorset people at that time. They migrated south along the coast that you can see by 1500 CE, that the late Dorset are no longer considered present, and Thule moves down into the Labrador coast. The group originally came from present-day Alaska and ultimately spread across the Arctic. As Thule adapted to fit the Labrador environment, they became known as the Labrador Inuit. They are responsible for great technological advancements, fashioning homes, dog sleds, kayaks, and umiaks from driftwood and skins. This allowed for better hunting of bowhead whales using toggled harpoons, which are very, very useful in that hunt. Archaeologists tend to use the term Thule for evidence until about 1550 CE. They are the direct ancestors of the Labrador Inuit, and after 1550, they are referred as such. From Inuit histories and evidence of similar tools, it seems that there was cultural exchange, which is transculturation, between Thule and the Dorset Paleo-Eskimos. We will explore the Labrador Inuit in more detail in our lesson on Who Are Here, which comes next. Now let's talk about the Beothuk. Beothuk occupied present-day Newfoundland and the coast of southern Labrador. There is archaeological evidence that the Beothuk descended from the recent Indian group of the Amerindians, referred to as the Little Passage Peoples, who were in present-day Hermitage Bay and Bay d'Espoir between 1100 and 1200 CE. This map from 1100 CE, now it says AD because the map was published before Common Era was referred to as such. Orange is where we see evidence of Beothuk, yellow is Dorset, and green is Thule. The Beothuk occupied a large area, hunting and fishing marine life using canoes during the summer and moving inland during the winter months to hunt land animals. Their tools, such as canoes and toggled harpoons similar to Thule, helped them traverse and thrive in the small coastal islands, harvesting fish, sea mammals, birds, and their eggs, along with land animals like caribou in winter. Men and women shared responsibilities in the caribou hunt and in their bands as spiritual leaders. People grouped together for the winter months with prepared foods, completing jobs, and living together in winter homes called mamatiques, which were surrounded by berms and covered in many layers of sod to keep them warm. This subsistent lifestyle helped them thrive all year round. The arrival of European settlers completely disrupted and destroyed their lifestyle. We will go into these events in a future lesson on European contact later in the unit. This is simply an introduction to the Beothuk people, and we will learn more about them and ultimately the destruction of their people later on. So now it's time to review. Please complete the activities in Brightspace. I hope that you enjoy them and find them very valuable, and I'll see you in the next lesson.